Want this? Get ready with your songs and beatmark. If you don't know how to find beatmark, watch this video. I will leave this video link in description. Now add your clips according to your beat. You can access my clips from my Telegram channel. Let's move forward from this. After adjusting your clips according to the beats, now follow me. Copy this layer. Now open new project and paste here. Now export it. Now back to the main project. Copy another layer and do same step. Apply this same step all layer. After exporting all layer one by one, now open Node Video app. Now follow me. Import the layer. Now follow these steps. Export it. Do the same steps to every layer, which you have export in Alight Motion. Now back to Alight Motion, and follow me. Now select all the clips and delete them. And replace them with Node Video clips. Now we have to add reverse zooms in this clips. So follow me. Select this layer and go to center of this clips. And add zooms. Do this same steps to every clips. After adding zooms to every clips, now let's add shakes. Follow me. Copy all effects. Paste here and change the angle. Add shakes here also. Now copy this layers and paste here. Delete extra layers. Now select this layer and hide its all effects. Now come in starting and save this as PNG. Now import the image and follow me. Take one rectangle and do what I do. Adjust according to the clips. Now group it. Now click here and give animation to it. Now group it. Now add shakes. overlays. I will provide this overlay in my Telegram channel. And here, your Tiki Tiki edit completed. That's it for today, guys. If you watching till here, make sure to subscribe. Complete 1,000 likes for XML. Join Telegram channel for sources. See you in the next one.
The pain I felt is paid for, all is said.